Hi everyone, I'm here at Leeds Scare Maze in the middle of Leeds City Centre. We're just about to record a podcast episode here. I don't know what to expect. I think it's over a number of different levels. And join us for a bit of a sneak peek on our spooky vision. Well, that was quite an experience here at Leeds Scare Maze. It's over a few different levels, lots of different theming as you go through, very diverse theming. It's been really good. So if you fancy checking out Leeds Scare Maze, then you can go to the website. I believe that it's running between the 23rd of October to the 2nd of November. But yeah, very spooky event in Leeds City Centre. Definitely recommend it. So come and check it out.